So we've got the Mavic Pro here. She's always dropping it. This is the Mavic 2 Zoom. Turns out I've got a friend at DJI. So thanks for hooking me up. This does mean that I'll be able to give my old Mavic, the one that I've crashed so many times, I'll be able to give that one away. So this is the, I think this is the new Mavic 2 Zoom. Just come out. This is one of the first ones here in Thailand. So let's unbox it and we'll get it up in the air so you can sort of see the quality. Show you what you get. This is I think it comes with one battery. Getting it out here. This ain't a Casey Neistat video. This is just straight up. It's just a drone. I'd rather spend, two reasons. I couldn't edit like that. I don't really have that skill, but if I could, I'd rather spend that time with people I care about versus my MacBook. Here we go. To open the box is the hardest thing. Someone get Casey Neistat and speed dial. Maybe I'll pay him to do it for me. Alright, so here we go. Recycle the packaging as well. So you've got a little container in here. It's a controller. It looks the same. Will it work? I'm not sure will it work with the other Mavic Pro. And this is the comes in like that. It's the gimbal case. Already popped off. We'll see how long it takes before I crash this one, And got some little stuff in here. Stuff here. Smells like formaldehyde. But yeah, so this little box, chuck that in the recycling bin. Let's go for what you get in here. So it's not much, is there? What's these things? Where's the propellers? So yeah, this is, what would you like me to film while here in Thailand? I'd be curious people to let me know what you want to film. Actually, can you even see me? Maybe I'll put the drone here, you can check it out. It's a bit different, isn't it? It's got sensors on the back and the rear. So coming with just a USB, oh here we go, USB-C. Is that going to be a factor around? Me and my first world problems. It's got two little things, I'm not sure what they are. If you know what these are, let me know. They're the sticks. So apparently now these sticks come off. This is the joystick sticks. We've got things for Samsung. We've got things for more Samsung. And we've got ones for, I don't think we've got one for Apple here. So anyway, I sound a bit ungrateful. I just get a free drone, what are you complaining? USB-C. Not sure what to do with that. And here we have the charger. Wow, it's pretty small. Is that even the same charger as last year? Does anyone know? Can you use this to charge the Mavic up? Another little plastic bag here. Try and recycle that. That's a little plug-in for the Thailand stuff. So that's that one. Where's the propellers in this bad boy? Almost looks like vegan takeaway here, doesn't it? Oh, here's the propellers. Wow, that's pretty handy. Oh, they give you a few sets. So give you an extra two propellers. It's got manuals here, again, for the recycling. One thing I don't like about Casey Neistat's stuff is he just chucks everything in the bin, don't recycle nothing. Dude is very, very wasteful. Casey, wear a helmet and don't be so wasteful, please. Anyway, so that's the, that is the little, oh, actually I'll just go get my Mavic and we'll compare them. So this is the Mavic. This is the Mavic Pro. How's the size going? It is the same, it's identical. It does feel a little bit. It does feel a bit heavier, a bit weightier than the Mavic, the normal. But yeah, it's very, very similar. Maybe a little bit. It's a little bit longer. It's a little bit bigger. It does feel a little bit heavier as well. So falling out of the sky, probably do more damage. Sensors everywhere apparently. Let's answer some questions here about the. This does feel a bit lighter. If you backpack, white packing, it's the same charger. Let's have a look at the stats here. Reading off the back here. Maybe I'll cut this out of the video. So they do seem to be. This one seems to be a bit more powerful in the battery. Its output is 60 watt. The old one's a 50 watt for the Mavic 1. So we call them Mavic 1s now. So this is a 1.4. This is a 1.8. So if you're an electronics geek, are these cross compatible? I don't know. Let's look at the batteries. This is the one Mavic, and the two, it does feel a lot heavier. A bit extra run time apparently. So we'll see how we go with that. What's interesting is it doesn't have the little LEDs, which I find quite handy. So maybe there's somewhere else on the unit. Maybe they're not. I don't know. If you know, let me know. But very similar design. Lithium ion. So, but there's no little. That's handy. I like that. I'm not sure why they got rid of that. Is it elsewhere on the unit? It doesn't look like. I could be wrong. All these sensors though. How hard will this be to crash? Maybe I'll be the first one to crash it. So that's the basic one, Mavic versus the two, which is better. I'm going to show you some footage now, and you can decide if it's worth the money. We'll soon find out. And this is a good idea if you do use your drone a lot. Google up what DJI Care Refresh, so a bit of insurance there for your drone. So you got to use it before you fly your drone though. So less than 48 hours, brand new unvaccinated product, less than 48 hours. So there you go. You want to get onto that if you want to get this, get it.
Carbs, carb the fuck up, motherfuckers. Carb the fuck up. Corn, rice, potatoes, yams, bananas, mangoes, dates, plantain, melons, blueberries, blackberries, mulberries. Get them motherfucking carbohydrates in. Go vegan, motherfuckers. Carb the fuck up, the fuck up, the fuck up, the fuck up.